Welcome to John Electrical Solution, your go-to channel for all things circuit design and electrical installation. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of circuit design. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned pro, this video will provide valuable insights and tips for designing effective circuit. First, let's start with the basics. What is circuit design? Circuit design involves creating electronic circuits that perform specific functions, just like putting together the pieces of a puzzle to make sure everything works perfectly. Let's design a simple LED circuit. In this circuit, we will need a power source, a resistor, and an LED. Open Proteus, create a new project, and save it. Go ahead, place the components required for the circuit by pressing P. Right-click and go to Edit Components to